Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Enable macros in Trust Center, then run the macro to capture the exact error text so you know what's failing. Once done, make a dated backup copy. This preserves a rollback point if edits break things. You should also note the module name and line number reported. These actions let you target the first fix quickly, rather than guessing, so you save time and avoid compounding errors. You now step through the macro using F8, watching variables and the flow to see where behavior diverges. This explains how and why the failure occurs. Make sure to check tools references for missing libraries and confirm object names and worksheet ranges match current workbook structure. Also validate incoming data types and non-empty cells because many errors stem from unexpected inputs. If you document the failing line and state, you're ready to correct the underlying logic rather than patch symptoms. You implement the minimal, clear fix, add explicit checks, correct object references, and include targeted error handling so the macro fails gracefully if needed. Then, run focus tests on small datasets to verify results and measure speed. This shows whether the change fixed the root cause. If problems persist, add MSG box statements or write to a log to trace execution, revert to your backup if needed, and reevaluate your assumptions about data and environment before trying another approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.